Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to start in easy pose. Let's get a comfortable seat. Then we're going to inhale, raise the arms up and over, to the sides, up through the front, and back up and over. So continue just a few circles like that. Today's sequence is going to be revolving around playing in the plank pose. So we'll do quite a few variations of it and work on that upper arm and shoulder strength. Maybe link the breath here. We're going to change direction. So maybe inhaling when you raise the hands and exhaling down the front. Gentle shoulder warm up for when we head into the planks. Nice. Interlace the hands behind your back. Option 2. Press the palms together behind your back. And lean forward. Gentle little shoulder stretch here. Nice. Come back up. And make your way into your tabletop position. Then lay back down on your calves for child's pose. Maybe coming up onto the fingertips for another shoulder stretch. Breathe deep here. Inhale, make your way to tabletop. Next exhale, sink back down to child's pose. Inhale to tabletop. Round your back as you enter tabletop. And when you're ready, press up into your down dog. Take a second in down dog. Then we'll inhale forwards, plank pose, take your time. Exhale back, down dog. Find your flowing motion here. Maybe try and create a spinal wave, so rounding through the back to get to plank, then arching the back slightly to head back to down dog. Find your motion, find your breathing. Find what feels nice for your body. One more, and then we'll hold the plank, lower the knees down, and sink back into child's pose for a brief rest. Bring those arms next to your feet to give your shoulders a rest after being extended for an extended period of time. Nice. Bring those hands back out in front of you. Curl the toes under, press back to your down dog. Inhale, bring that right leg up. Exhale, step it between the hands. Keep up on the back left toes. Press that chest forward and up. Just opening the hip here for a moment. Then we're going to lift off that back left knee, raise the right leg up and back into three-legged dog again, and then bring the knee in a plank position. So keeping that right knee hovered as you enter to plank. Then extending it back out, three-legged dog. So find your breathing, find what feels good for you. Some people like to inhale to plank and exhale to three-legged dog, but other way around can be more comfortable for you. One more. Next time you reach plank, drop that right knee to the mat, bring it into a 90-degree angle, and enter into a side stretch position. So raising that right arm up and reaching it over the head near the ear. We're going to inhale, come into gate pose. So left arm on left extended leg, right arm reaches up. Back down to the mat. Right arm reaches up and over near the ear. Nice. Turn back into your plank. Lift the right leg and extend it up and back, three-legged dog. Bring it back down. Take a second in down dog. The next inhale, raise that left leg. Step it up, low lunge. Keeping up on the back right toes. Lifting the chest and pressing it forward. To the present moment. Lift up on that back right leg and bring the left leg up and back into three-legged dog. Then again, make your way into your plank. So keeping that left leg bent and raised. Have fun with the movement here. Find what feels nice for your body. Next time you're in plank, drop that left knee. Right arm reaches up and over near the ear. Right leg stays extended. I'm going to reach right arm to right leg, left arm reaches up to the ceiling. Back down again. Right arm near the ear. Pivot back to your plank. Extend the left leg up and back, three-legged dog. Bring the feet back to the mat. Hold down dog for just a second. So shift forward into plank. We're headed into an intense plank sequence here. So get your balance on that right arm. Lift the left arm up, one foot in front of the other, putting your weight on the sides of the feet. So keep alternating sides here. Do it at your own pace. And if you want to give the second option to go, place that right forearm on the mat and then the left. So same motion, just now with the forearms. Then we're gonna come back onto the hand, open up, and hold the side plank. So that's your first option. Option 2 is the star plank, so lifting one of the legs off the mat. And option 3 is coming into tree pose while in side plank. So bending that left leg or one of your legs, the upper leg, and placing it on the other. Then head back into your plank and three-legged dog. And then take the side plank hold to the other side. So again, find your options. Option 2, star plank, and option 3, tree pose plank. Nice. Bring it back, normal plank, extend it up and back, three-legged dog, and come back to your down dog, and then child's pose. So again, bring those hands next to your feet, give those shoulders a rest. Just breathe here. Then take your time. With the next inhale, we'll sit up into Thunderbolt pose. So bringing the arms up and over the head, framing the ears, then out in front, and then take it to the back. So interlace your hands behind your back and press downwards. Add a little back bend here if you want as well, so pressing that chest forward. Then we'll release and come into tabletop position. From tabletop, just come into a seat, but bring those feet out in front of you and keep the knees bent. Inhale, raise those arms up and over. Exhale, right arm on the outside of the left knee, left hand behind you, twisting to the left. Inhale, take it back to the middle. Exhale, left arm on the outside of the right knee, right arm behind you. Inhale, take it back to the middle. Come onto your back for a final little shoulder stretch here. But first, just laying down in a bent-legged version of Savasana. And then inhaling, lifting the arms up and over the head. Breathe deep. Starting to slow down here. Nice. Make your way back up. Come into easy pose or whatever seat is comfortable for you. Then we'll inhale and add a few longer side stretches. So right arm to the mat, left arm reaches up and over. Trying to press that chest up to the ceiling. Inhale, take it back to the middle. Exhale, left arm to the mat, right arm reaches up and over. Keep the long breathing. And we'll take it back to the middle. And we'll finish there for today. So thank you for joining me. I hope it was relaxing, or at least fun. You're welcome to enter into Savasana or anything else. See you next time.